Hey guys, so how do you add your showcase on the TikTok profile? So it's going to be really quick, so bear with me with this one. Now, on your TikTok profile here, I'm just copying a bunch of codes here. So this is your showcase, right? So in order for you to do this, you're going to need to actually have to connect your seller's profile to your page here. And if these are things that you promote, for example, if these are products right here, very important to be connected to a store. If you don't have an e-commerce platform yet, I suggest picking the profile itself via TikTok. Thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a nice day.